Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Boolean operations in Figma. Boolean operations are powerful tools that allow you to combine, subtract, or intersect shapes, creating entirely new and complex forms from simpler ones. Figma provides 5 core Boolean operations, giving you immense flexibility in your vector design workflow. Mastering these operations is key to crafting intricate illustrations and icons efficiently, saving you valuable design time and effort, and opening up many creative possibilities. Let's dive into the 5 core Boolean operations. Union combines all selected shapes into one single, unified shape. Subtract removes the top shape from the bottom one, perfect for cutting out sections. Intersect creates a new shape only from the areas where your selected shapes overlap. Exclude keeps only the non-overlapping parts, effectively punching out the intersection. Finally, flatten converts a group of shapes into a single, editable vector path, simplifying your layers. Applying Boolean operations in Figma is straightforward. First, select 2 or more overlapping shapes on your canvas. You'll then find the Boolean operations icon in the toolbar at the top of your screen, represented by 2 overlapping squares. Click this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with all 5 operations. Choose the one that best suits your design goal. Remember, you can always undo and try a different operation to see its effect, fostering creative exploration. To maximize your efficiency with Boolean operations, here are some helpful tips. Always consider grouping your shapes before applying an operation. This keeps your layers organized. Utilize non-destructive Boolean operations whenever possible, as they allow you to edit the original shapes even after the operation is applied. This flexibility is invaluable. Remember, even the most complex illustrations often begin with combining simple geometric shapes using these powerful tools. Consistent practice will make you a Boolean master.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.